This is the trade review for Wednesday, the 27th of March 2024. That's the last day I traded this week. And the reason for that is because I ended up on another two losses with a bit of a spread. So today I was looking at Nvidia and it had tight pre-market action. But I was hoping for a pullback and then a continuation to the top side. Although I see now that it was a bad read on the daily chart. As you can see here, we had rejected 970 or R5. We had a big sell-off the day before on Tuesday, and then today we were opening at the bottom inside the yesterday's range, but we sold off after we hit R2. So I don't understand why I was so bullish. I think I wasn't paying too much attention to the daily chart and understand where we were, and I think that was a big mistake because it made me take longs when we were crashing down hard on this day. But anyways, I was respecting the pivots, and R2 we rejected swiftly. That should have been a strong signal for me to short in this area, but it didn't, and then we closed underneath the pre-market low, which was another strong signal to enter short. And as you can see here, we swiftly sold off under the yesterday's range and previous day close, and we stalled a little bit at S2 and we formed BPOC here, but this is not much of a rejection, to be honest. And if this had been the first 2-minute candle, maybe it would have been a reversal point, but I got in, and as you can see, it formed a hammer to the downside. So if anything, this was an entry short for continuation for a breakdown further, and instead I made an entry long here and I got stopped out at the bottom of the wick. So this signal here is not good for me. So the first trade was not good. So this would have been a traverse, but I'm not taking a good trade. And then I waited for the price to drop to S3. That's when we started to get the bigger wicks, right? And a lot of volume. So we dropped to S3 and I felt confident that maybe this will be the run. And I waited for the next 2-minute candle, and we actually closed with another hammer. And the issue here is that yes, there was a lot of buyers and they were attempting to defend S3, but I was with them and we failed to overwhelm the sellers. And as you can see here, it stopped me out again, and then we form a hammer to the downside, and then you just continue running down on Nvidia. So those were my two trades, and I should have been way more careful. The CPR bias was bearish, so not only that, the daily chart was very bearish, so I should have been very mindful of that. And that's it for my day. I need to get back into the zone, learning how to do these trades, because it's a lot of miss. I'm not trading well, so I need to fix my entries before I start to bleed more. I had a good pre-market prep. I respected my stop losses. stop loss, respected my max loss. So one big improvement I've had with my trading this year is not removing my stop losses and or my max loss. So that's something to be celebrated at least. Two, and let me see here 1 second. 55. 2.75. 2.7. So yeah, not a very good week of trading, a lot of spread. So yeah, that's it for my daily review today. I need to go over some stuff and improve my reading. Maybe have something to go over every morning to have a better understanding of how I need to make my entries on the day, and perhaps not anticipate as much. Wait for that perfect signal, and also maybe change stock selection, because even though it's great that I'm trying to understand Nvidia every day, maybe there are other stocks that are in a better location than Nvidia, and they can give me a better price action. They can be a little bit more forgiving, especially when it comes to the spread. So maybe I need to do that, start making a better choice of stocks to trade on the day, instead of just sticking to one and try to take advantage of the, you know, just trying to take advantage of my understanding of the market structure. But that means that some days it's gonna be harder on me. So it's easier to pick a different stock in a better location with a better price action for the day. So that's it for this today.